In the world of precision quality assurance, growth often means investing in advanced technology. This includes coordinate measuring machines, metrology tools, and automation software. While these technologies are essential, the most valuable investment is in people. At North Valley Precision, we often adopt new technologies to improve our inspection capabilities. From quality engineers to shipping coordinators, excellent leadership fosters ownership, innovation, resilience, and accountability. Several years ago, we faced a challenge. We secured high-profile defense contracts and invested in upgraded systems. We expected productivity improvements but instead experienced elevated error rates and missed deadlines. The issue lay in our organization. Our team lacked the leadership skills needed to manage complexity. Realizing this, we shifted our approach to invest in human capabilities, similar to technological upgrades. This was not about generic seminars. We aimed to create a tailored culture of leadership. We identified informal influencers in our workforce, giving them coaching and responsibilities regardless of their titles. Our leadership training was hands-on and contextual, focusing on quality huddles, root cause analysis, and effective feedback. This practical training was designed to integrate seamlessly into daily operations. The impact was immediate. Teams began collaborating effectively. Employees proposed enhancements that improved quality and efficiency. One supervisor cut rework rates by 30% with a new inspection strategy. Another team reduced changeover times by mapping workflows. More importantly, engagement shifted. When employees feel invested in the mission, their mindset changes. They aspire to meet higher standards, reflected in every report submitted. Leadership in quality assurance emphasizes operational clarity and professionalism. It requires setting clear expectations and addressing issues collaboratively. Every team member must understand their impact on the broader mission. In critical industries like defense and aerospace, quality is mandatory. Components inspected are meant for aircraft and naval systems, where errors cannot happen. We need leaders on every shift, not just to ensure compliance, but to build a culture of excellence. Calculating ROI for hardware is straightforward. You assess cycle times and output rates. However, ROI for human development is less tangible but immensely powerful. I've seen team members grow into leaders, doubling productivity through enhanced communication and trust. Machines depreciate, but empowered people form the foundation of sustainable growth. At North Valley Precision, we will continue to invest in technology, but leadership remains the key to our success.